How to use tenses in OET writing. 1. Present simple tense. The present simple tense is used to report unchanging facts like a person's name, age, and job with verbs like do, make, and come. For example, the patient is allergic to penicillin. 2. Past simple tense. To use the past simple tense, change the verbs from do, make and come to did, made and came. This tense provides information about a time that the patient visited you in the past and is told in the context of a fixed period, 2 weeks ago, last month, and yesterday. For example, the patient first presented 2 months ago with a bowel complaint. At this time, she displayed symptoms consistent with IBS. 3. Present perfect tense. This tense is used to state an action or an event which may have occurred in the past but remains relevant at this time. There is no set period. For example, the patient has received massage therapy for the last 5 months. Indicator words like for and since are used while using the present perfect. 4. Present continuous tense. This tense is designed to show an action which is specifically relevant to the present and can be used to refer to something very recent. Examples: the patient's condition is deteriorating. The patient is refusing to take her medication.